Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, pretty much for 2 weeks straight, I've been telling everybody to look for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. Today was no different. We had a 1, 2, 3-way pullback and another chance to go long. Now, we're at the 150% Fibonacci extension. More than likely, the 161 is probably a more powerful area, right around the 39.80. But like I was saying in my morning video, the higher time frame Fibonacci extension is actually right around $4,200. So I would definitely not become bearish unless we had a significant break of structure down. If it breaks this low right here, that still doesn't mean trend reversal. But the first thing I would do if it breaks that low is put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up and observe it to see if it makes another three-way pullback or if it really does turn into a trend reversal. But as of right now, the trend is up on every single time frame, and I would definitely still be recommending longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.